Thinking about buying your first home? You've probably heard, talk to a lender. But what they don't tell you is choosing the wrong lender could cost you your dream home or thousands of dollars. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how to find the right lender, what questions to ask, red flags to watch out for, and how to avoid common mistakes I've seen firsthand. One of the first places you can go to find a great lender is your agent. As an agent, I only recommend lenders who've proven they can actually close deals fast, clean, and with zero drama. Here's why it matters. When you submit an offer, the listing agent wants to know that the buyer's loan will get approved and there will be no hiccups. A known, reputable lender with a great track record and impeccable communication can seal the deal. But here's the thing, you are always free to shop. In fact, I encourage it as long as you follow this next step, the right way to shop for lenders. When shopping for a lender, here are 3 main things to consider. 1, their bottom line pricing. This includes not just the rate, but things like lender fees, estimated cash to close, qualifying price of the home, etc. One lender might advertise the lowest rate, but might have hiked up fees. It's the combination of everything that will affect your bottom line. 2, how is their communication? You will need a lot of communication and a lot of education through this process. So you need a lender who is patient, available to chat, and clear at teaching you as you go along. Number 3, are they your vibe? I know. Pretty vague, but there are a lot of great lenders out there who have different styles in the way that they operate. You will be working with them closely, so making sure it's an enjoyable experience is a must. Choose the one that gives you the best combo of value, speed, and trust, and once you commit, stick with them. Chapter 3, the danger of switching lenders mid-transaction. Real talk, one of the worst things you can do is change lenders mid-transaction. Even if a new lender promises a slightly better rate, it could delay your closing, weaken the offer, or even cost you the home. Plus, it burns bridges. Lenders don't have the same contract protection as agents do, so if you're still comparing quotes, just be honest. Say, hey, I'm still finalizing my decision. I really appreciate your time and transparency. This isn't to say switching lenders mid-transaction hasn't been necessary in the past, but these are emergency situations and not to be played with if you're just trying to save a little bit of money. Chapter 4, retail lenders versus mortgage brokers. What's the difference? I always say, don't chase the rate, chase the lender. Let's break down the 3 main places you can get a loan: banks, retail lenders, and independent mortgage brokers. Without going into too much detail, banks and retail lenders handle everything in-house, working directly with one institution and their set of loan products. Independent brokers, on the other hand, work with multiple lenders, giving you access to a wider range of loan options. In most cases, independent brokers offer lower lender fees, but since they act as the middleman between you and the lender, it's crucial to work with one who communicates well and has a proven track record of closing loans quickly. Feeling overwhelmed? Here's the bottom line. If you're only getting one quote, start with a trusted independent broker. Banks would probably be my last recommendation. If you have time to compare, get a quote of all 3, a bank, retail lender, and a broker, and review them with your real estate agent. Each option has pros and cons, and the right fit depends on your unique situation. Chapter 5, beware of too good to be true loan offers. Let me tell you about a client of mine, a school teacher. She was offered a special grant through a big name lender. Sounded great, but after 3 months of unsuccessful house shopping, she was either getting priced out on a multiple offer situation, or all of the homes that she liked within what she qualified for were just not that great. After 3 months, we realized she actually qualified for $30,000 more using my preferred broker. She wasn't finding a home or getting accepted. That grant, it lowered her buying power and delayed her by months. Lesson: lenders can restructure a deal to sound better up front while hiding the downside in fees, lower approval, or added conditions. So ask this question: can you break down how this offer affects my total buying power and monthly payment? If this still feels overwhelming, that's normal. Most people only buy a home a few times in their life. That's why I built the ultimate resource hub for first-time buyers. It has guides, videos, and an option to hop on a quick call with me. It's everything you need to be a confident buyer, and it's free. So click the link below to get access, and if you want more smart tips on buying your first home in Boise, hit that subscribe button and I'll guide you through every step.